morning, this is Tejashwini from 9th standard. My project is blood group testing. Now I am going to explain about blood. Blood is a fluid connective tissue that consists of plasma, blood cells and platelets. It circulates throughout our body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to various cells and platelets. It makes up 8% of our body weight. An average adult possesses around 5 to 6 liters of blood, and a human blood includes red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. All these blood cells play a significant role in transportation, regulation and protection. These are very important to know a person's blood group. There are 4 major blood groups: A, B, O and AB positives. These blood groups are invented by a scientist named Karl Landsteiner. He is also known as an Austrian biologist and immunologist. Now I am going to do a physical blood test. These are lanterns. Lanterns are very important in blood group testing. These have to be used for only one person. First we have to clean with Dettol. Take a glass slide and place 3 drops of blood. These are monoclonal antibodies which detects blood group. Antigen A in first drop. Antigen B in second drop. Antigen D in third drop. Now we want to mix with using toothpicks. It takes few seconds to confirm. See, agglutination takes place in anti-D, so we can confirm that he has O positive blood type. Your blood type is O positive.
O positive.
Thank you.